Morning students. Today our topic is subtraction. Today we will learn how to subtract. We have done subtraction in the first standard also, so it will be easy for you to understand. First of all, let me revise the concept of subtraction. Subtraction is just opposite to addition. Clear beta? Subtraction is just opposite to addition. In addition, we bring all things together, but in subtraction, reverse happens. We take away something from a group. In subtraction, we take away something from a group. Is it clear, beta? Subtraction is just opposite to addition. Now, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means to take away or to remove things from any collection. Subtraction means to take away or to remove things from any collection. Let me take one example. Suppose there are 5 apples. Suppose there are 5 apples. And we take 2 out of them. These are 5 apples and we take 2 out of them. How many apples will be left? 3. What we have done? We have subtracted 2 from 5. Is it clear, beta? That we have 5 apples. We take 2 out of them and 3 apples will be left. Is it clear, beta? Now, do you know, students, which sign or symbol is used for subtraction? Yes, I know. You know it very well. Sign of subtraction is minus. Sign of subtraction is minus. And we write it as this. Clear, beta? Sign of subtraction is minus and we write it as this. Now next is terms and outcome of subtraction. Terms and outcome of subtraction. It means what do we call numbers used in subtraction? What do we call numbers used in subtraction? The number which is bigger is written first. The number which is bigger is written first and is called minuend. The number which is bigger is written first and it is called minuend. The number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. The number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. And the answer we get is called difference. And the answer we get is called difference. Is it clear, students? The number from which other number is subtracted is called minuend and the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. And the answer is called difference. Is it clear, beta? Minuend, subtrahend and different. Now let's learn some words used for subtraction. These words are subtract, minus, less, decrease, take away, fewer, leave and difference. These words are subtract, minus, less, decrease, take away, fewer, leave and difference. All these words are used in the word problems of subtraction. Is it clear, beta? Now let's learn the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Now these two numbers have been given to us. First number is 9786. Second number is 3254. Now how we will subtract it? First of all, we will take ones. The first step is subtract ones. 6 minus 4 is 2. Second step is subtract tens. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then subtract hundreds. 7 minus 2 is 5. And fourth step is subtract thousands. 9 minus 3 is 6. Is it clear, beta? In order to subtract the 4-digit numbers, first step is subtract ones, second is subtract tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. And the answer is 6532. Answer is 6532. Now next is arrange vertically and add. Now again two numbers have been given. 9193 minus 5080. First of all, arrange these numbers in column and then subtract these numbers. The bigger number write down first and after that smaller number. Again subtract ones, 3 minus 0, 3. Then tens, 9 minus 8, 1. Then hundreds, 1 minus 0, 1. And then thousands. 9 minus 5 is 4. Is it clear, beta? First of all, arrange these numbers in columns and then subtract. The answer we get is 4113. Answer we get is 4113. Now let's recall some facts about subtraction. First is, when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer becomes 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer becomes 0. For example, 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Clear, beta? When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer becomes 0. Second is, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer becomes the number itself. If we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. For example, 93 minus 0 is equal to 93. And third is, in subtraction, always the bigger number is written first. In subtraction, always the bigger number is written first. For example, 83 minus 21 is equal to 62. We can't subtract 83 from 21. We will have to write down the bigger number first. Is it clear, students? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.